Most people think getting business insurance takes weeks. It doesn't always. A simple general liability policy can be issued in 24 to 48 hours. A comprehensive commercial package with multiple coverages can take 2 to 4 weeks. And if you're the one selling these policies instead of buying them, here's the number that matters more. The average independent insurance agent in the U.S. makes around $59,000 a year according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, but the top 10% cross six figures, mostly through renewal commissions that keep paying you year after year without new work. Is starting an insurance agency actually profitable, or is this another be-your-own-boss trap? Let's break down the real numbers. This business is for people who don't mind sales, don't mind paperwork, and are patient enough to build a client base over 12 to 24 months. It is not for someone who wants fast cash in month one. If you hate cold calling, licensing exams, or slow building income, skip this one and look at something with quicker cash flow. So what is this business exactly? You act as a licensed agent or broker who sells business insurance policies, general liability, workers' comp, commercial property, professional liability, to small business owners. You either work as a captive agent for one carrier, or as an independent agent representing multiple carriers, which usually pays better long-term. Your income comes from commissions, typically 5 to 20% of the premium on new policies, plus 2 to 15% on renewals every single year the client stays with you. Now the demand side. The U.S. commercial insurance market is worth over $400 billion annually, and small business formation hit record highs post-2021, with over 5 million new business applications filed in the U.S. in a single recent year according to Census Bureau data. Every one of those businesses eventually needs insurance. Many landlords and clients require proof of it before signing a lease or contract. Industry estimates suggest insurance agent and broker jobs will grow around 6% over the next decade, faster than the average occupation, according to BLS projections. Let's talk startup costs. Here's the minimum breakdown. Category estimated cost pre-licensing course and state exam $150, $400 state license fee $50, $200 errors and omissions, E&O, insurance $500, $1,500 per year surety bond, if required by state, $100, $500 basic CRM/agency software $50, $150 per month website and branding $300, $500 initial marketing $300, $1,000 miscellaneous, business cards, phone line, filings, $150, $400 total minimum investment $600, $5,600. Here's where that money actually goes. The licensing course and exam get you legally allowed to sell insurance in your state. This isn't optional, it's federal and state regulated. The E&O insurance protects you if a client sues you for bad advice. Most carriers won't appoint you without it. Your CRM tracks client renewals, follow-ups, and policy expiration dates, which is where most of your repeat revenue comes from. The website builds trust. Most business owners Google an agent before calling one. Marketing is what actually gets you your first 10 clients. Monthly operating costs after launch typically run $300 to $800. CRM subscription, E&O renewal spread monthly, website hosting, and ongoing lead generation or ads. Now income potential, and I'll be blunt here. Conservative estimate in year 1, $1,500 to $2,500 a month, mostly because renewal commissions haven't stacked up yet. Realistic estimate by year 2, once you have 60 to 100 active clients, $4,000 to $7,000 a month. Optimistic estimate for agents who specialize in a niche and build a referral network, $10,000 plus monthly, largely passive from renewals. Average profit margins in this business run high, 60 to 80%, because your main ongoing cost is your time, not inventory. Break-even is usually 4 to 8 months if you're hustling for clients actively, longer if you're doing this part-time on the side. Biggest mistakes people make: getting licensed and then doing zero marketing, assuming clients will just appear. Second mistake, only working with one carrier, which limits what you can offer and caps your commission potential. Third, ignoring renewals and chasing only new sales, which kills the long-term passive income that makes this business worth it. Now, market gaps. Most agents chase restaurants and contractors because everyone else does. Underserved niches include home-based businesses, e-commerce sellers who need product liability coverage, and gig economy workers who need commercial auto add-ons. Differentiate by picking one niche, becoming the go-to expert in it, and building content or partnerships specifically around that industry's insurance needs. Here's how to actually start. Step 1. Check your state's licensing requirements and enroll in a pre-licensing course. Step 2. Pass your state exam and get appointed with either one carrier or an aggregator network that gives you access to multiple carriers without needing individual appointments. Step 3. Get your E&O insurance in place before you sell a single policy. Step 4. Set up a simple CRM to track leads and renewals. Step 5. Build a basic website so people can find and verify you. Step 6. Pick your niche and get your first 10 clients through direct outreach, not ads. On the tool side, you genuinely need a CRM here because your entire long-term income depends on tracking renewal dates and following up on time. Missing a renewal date means losing a client to a competitor. You also need a professional website because commercial insurance buyers check credibility before calling. This is exactly where a lot of new agents waste time trying to build things themselves instead of focusing on selling. If you want this set up properly, CRM, website, automated renewal reminders, that's a Softangles specialty. They don't build your business plan, but they build the systems that run it. Links in the description if you want a free consultation and estimate. Marketing-wise, online methods include LinkedIn outreach to small business owners, local Facebook business groups, and Google Business Profile optimization so you show up in local searches. Offline methods include partnering with accountants, lawyers, and business consultants who refer clients needing insurance. On a low budget, focus entirely on referral partnerships. They cost nothing but relationship building. To scale, run targeted ads toward your chosen niche and hire a junior agent once you cross 100 active clients. Challenges here are real. Licensing regulations vary by state and can be confusing. Carrier appointments sometimes require minimum sales volume you won't have on day one. And trust building takes time. Nobody buys insurance from a stranger on day one. Do's: specialize in a niche, follow up on renewals religiously, and get appointed with more than one carrier. Don'ts: don't skip your E&O insurance, don't oversell coverage clients don't need, and don't neglect existing clients while chasing new ones. Final verdict: is this worth starting? If you're patient, don't mind sales, and want a business with genuinely passive renewal income after year 2, yes, this is a solid, realistic business. If you need fast income in the first 90 days, this isn't it, and you should look elsewhere. This is a marathon business, not a sprint. If this breakdown helped you see the real numbers, subscribe for more honest business breakdowns, no hype, just data. And if you're starting this business and need the CRM or website side handled properly, Softangles offers a free consultation to map that out. Links in the description below.